bitch.
Protect your energy.
Hey guys, welcome to the Healing Grounds. This is your girl Jay, and today we're going to be doing a little DIY. Now today we are making a little something simple, something inexpensive. This is going to be our turmeric sugar scrub. Now what I'm going to use this for and what I am going to show it off on will be my underarms today. I've already pre-shaven, you know, got my armpits feeling all nice and smooth. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Now we are using today some granulated sugar, natural turmeric, baking soda, and a little bit of honey. Now don't mind me, I'm extra, so I have 3 bowls just in case I mess up consistency. First, I want to start some turmeric. Now turmeric has some really natural properties. Hold on one second, I gotta open it. Are you kidding me? I should have pre-opened these things. So first things first, we're gonna add our turmeric. So I'm gonna use this first bowl. Sprinkle some turmeric. It's powder, guys, it's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna like eyeball it because it's honestly not that hard. I want enough to be able to do both of my armpits. So next we're gonna add a little bit of baking soda. I'm already making a mess, Jesus. Some granulated sugar. And a little bit of honey. And this should give us that tacky kind of consistency. I am going to mix this. I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like right now. This is our paste, and you want it to kind of be, you know, just thick enough that it's gonna give you like a really even coat. Now this is super sticky. I feel like this is good to go. Here are my underarms, plain as day. And as you can see, there's some hyperpigmentation, there's some darkening. This is not hair, it's completely smooth. Here is my turmeric, and I am going to take this and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick double. And we want it to be super thick. Well, not super thick, but just like an even coat of the turmeric scrub. So it's really sticky thanks to the honey. So it's gonna adhere to your skin, it's gonna stay on your skin, and it's actually gonna do its job. So as you can see, and I should get some down there. Ooh. You can use this on your face, it's safe for your body. So this type of mixture, if you want it to, if you have like under eye circles and things like that, or some discoloration around your body, it's perfectly safe to use. Not only just your armpits, guys, okay? We are gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes and kind of let it do its thing, and we will be right back to actually show you the end results. And it's a pretty quick process, you know, nothing you have to think too hard about. My armpits are actually sticking to themselves right now, so I'm gonna go like this. This is a really quick, really inexpensive self-care tool. If you do have some discolorations, you don't have to go to a professional. Like, you do not have to go to the professional. Be your own professional. This is all about your self-care. Alright guys, so both my arms are completed in treatment, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the end results. So here we are. Noticeable difference. I really feel like, and this is super exciting to see, like you can actually see it working. But literally, I feel like this is the kind of treatment like you do maybe like 3 times a week, thrice, just to kind of get your, you know, discolorations. And again, I have really bad hyperpigmentation, so this sugar scrub is really good for this area for here. This was like a really big problem area for myself, so I wanted to try this out just to see if it would work so that I could pass it on to my gods and goddesses. Thank you guys so much for the love and support that we already see on the channel. We did want to take a little moment to give a quick shout out to everyone that does pay attention to our channel and has been showing so much love. We do pay attention and we do notice everyone that does show us the love. It inspires us to make more content for you guys. This channel is genuinely for us, you know. It's something that we're so interested in. It's things that we take interest in, and it's things that we would love to pass on to you guys. So be sure to comment, like, subscribe. Make sure that you're tuned in with the notification bell so you can keep tuned in to when we are posting next. Walk in love and light and walk with intention, and you guys have a great day.